You're watching How Leap. Let me show you how to enable RCS messaging on Android. Open the Messages app by Google. Tap your profile picture in the top right. Tap Messages Settings. Tap RCS Chats. Toggle on Enable RCS Chats. You may need to verify your phone number. Once enabled, features like typing indicators, read receipts, and high quality media sharing will work with other RCS users. If you have issues, ensure your carrier supports RCS and that you have a stable internet connection. For more simple software tutorials, subscribe to the How Leap channel.